about doing it on this island. Oh no, I have to sneeze. Blah! I didn't mute it. I thought about muting it. But I know you wouldn't want me to mute it. I told you though, I was holding back. I'm not gonna release my full sneeze power. that was me holding back my sneeze. First sneeze. Well, I told you before, I don't have cute sneeze. That was me holding back. That was me trying to sneeze cutely. That's my fake sneeze. But even it's not cute. Crony's here. Wait, has Crony been here? Thank you, Crony. I want to hear a Crony sneeze. What does the Crony sneeze sound like? Yagi Kurosa?